In this video, I will show you exactly how to configure a shopping cart value sum for your payments directly inside Typeform. This process is perfect for when you want to calculate a total price based on quantities selected by your customers. To begin this setup, you first need to add your shopping choice questions to your form. You can use a multiple choice question for different service tiers, or perhaps a drawdown menu for specific product selections. If you're dealing with physical inventory or allowing multi-orders, you must add a number question immediately after your product selection, questioning how many items the visitor would like to add. Once that is done, go back to the branching and calculation settings and navigate specifically to that number or quantity question you just created. This is where you will build the math script to handle the pricing logic. You will want to create a rule stating that if the answer to how many items would you like is greater than 0, then you need to perform a series of calculations. First, tell the system to calculate the item subtotal by adding your individual product price. Next, you need to calculate the item subtotal again, but this time you will multiply it by the response value from that specific number question. Finally, you must calculate the total price by adding the item subtotal to your main price variable. This ensures the math scales perfectly regardless of how many items someone orders. To finish the process and allow people to actually pay you, simply add a payment block at the very end of your form sequence. This will automatically pull the final calculated value and present it to the customer for checkout. By following these steps, you can create a professional and dynamic shopping experience that calculates totals in real time for every single person who fills out your form. It is a powerful way to automate your sales.